Hey guys, I am out here flying the FIMI Mini with that update, what is it, 1025G, 1025B, and no app. This thing is such a great flyer, man. Wow. I cannot get over how nice this thing flies. This thing is fantastic. Wow. Absolutely fantastic. Now, supposedly with this update, they fixed some horizon issues. This horizon, to me, okay, so guys, this is just my opinion. I've seen so many millions of YouTubers make these videos about tilted horizon, this tilted horizon, that. I honest to God, I watch these videos from these guys. I don't even see it. I don't even notice it. It's so insignificant. I mean, not everybody that flies these drones is a professional photographer. Okay, so if some horizon's out there 15 miles away and it's tilted 2 degrees to the left or right, who in the hell's gonna notice that? But man, I have never seen any issue with any drones made a bigger deal out of than these tilted horizons. I've seen like thousands upon thousands of videos on tilted horizon. Tilted horizon here, tilted horizon there. This one has it, this one don't. Oh, call the doctor. Stop it already. I'm sure the manufacturers know about it and they'll work it out. Lordy, this thing flies great. Now, I don't even know if you can shoot video when you're not using the app. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring it back here. I'm gonna bring it down and I'm gonna record the video, and I'm gonna see if anything changes with the lights, if anything does anything differently. Okay, so now if the video works, you know, I'll put it in there. And if it don't, then we know it don't work. I know the Mavic Mini don't record the video unless you have the app. But man, look at this thing go. Wow, what a fun flyer. Holy cow, this thing is so nice, man. Holy tamale. Okay, so I gotta turn to the right now because Gimp Man says, Brian, you never turn to the right. You only make left-hand turns. Well, Gimp Man, I'm left-handed. So I naturally just always do it that way. But you see, I can turn to the right. If I have to, I can do it, see? You see that? Yeah, great stuff. Great, man, this is such a great quadcopter, man. This FIMI Mini, I absolutely love this thing. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video. So it did did it recognize that I did that? You see it like it was writing the video, so we'll see, right? Wow. This thing is just so nice, man. So nice. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm bringing it back in. That's the end of the video. I'm not making a long video with it. So the update's working good. No problems. I'm sure the next time I turn it on, there'll be another damn update, right? Okay. So we'll just go with that. Yep, there it is. Hot dog. The FIMI Mini. Man, this thing is so nice. I like this way better than those Hubsons. Way better. Way better. Wow, super nice. Super nice. All right, guys, hey, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.
That's all, folks.